Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Glatek. Today I'll be showing you how to add moderators on TikTok. The steps are: click on the profile. Let me explain who a moderator is first. A moderator is a person that monitors and reply comments on TikTok from viewers. Especially when you are on live stream, those viewers that comment on your TikTok, these moderators, their duty are to reply the comment. If you have a harsh comment, their duty also is to block the person. So when you click on your profile, you click on three dot there, click on creator tools, click on live gifts, click on go live. It takes you to this place. Click on settings. When you click on settings, you see my first option there, moderators. You click on, I already have 3 moderators. If I want to add more moderators, I click at the image icon there. Hope you get what I said. Click at the image icon there. This is the image icon. Then I select. If I select this person, you see, when you go back, you're now for. Look at the person that I selected. But if I don't want those people, a moderator, you can easily remove a moderator by clicking on remove. I've removed the person. So that's how to add moderators on TikTok. Remember, I said moderators, they help us to monitor and reply comment from viewers. Moderator must be somebody you know and trust. You can only add people who are friends as a moderator. You must follow them and they must also follow you. You must know your moderator and your moderator must also know you. A moderator should be people you must know and trust so that they will be able to block people on your live stream. When you add a moderator, they receive a notification, and when they receive that notification, they accept it. When they accept it, they become your moderator in order to follow you very well on TikTok. So guys, if this video was helpful, please do well to like, share, subscribe and leave a comment.